Hi everyone, welcome to our last episode of The Refrigerator. Today I have a story for you written by Mo Willems. It is an Elephant and Piggy book, and I hope you will enjoy it. It is called The Thank You Book. I have a lot to be thankful for. I had better get thanking. I am going to thank everyone who is important to me. Everyone? Everyone. No way. You will forget someone. You will forget someone important. I will thank everyone. It will be a thankorama. Wow. Off I go. Squirrels! Piggy! Thank you for your great ideas. Aw, shucks. Snake! Piggy! Thank you for playing ball with me. The pigeon! Thank you for never giving up. And I'm sorry you don't get to be in our books. That's what you think. Thanking is nice, but you will forget someone. I will not. Mouse, birdies, rhino, hippo's big sister, barky dog, pelican, bear, hippo, worms. Thank you all for being great friends. Aww. See that, Gerald? I'm a thinking machine. Piggy, you have forgotten someone important. Do not worry, Gerald. My next thanks will be a big one. Good. Thanks, Whale. You are nice. So are you. Ice cream penguin, thank you for your ice cream. It is what I do. Piggy, Dr. Cat, thank you for being a great doctor. You are welcome. Piggy, Brian Bat, thank you for drawing with me. That was fun. Piggy! You are forgetting someone. Someone very important. Really? Oh, I know who you're talking about. The flies! Thank you for cooking with me. Anytime, dude. Not the flies, Piggy. I cannot think of anyone else I have forgotten to thank, Gerald. Oops. I goofed. Thank you, Elephant Gerald. You are the best friend a pig could ever have. That means a lot to me, Piggy, but I did not think that you forgot me. Who did I forget to thank? Our reader. You forgot to thank our reader. You were right. Thank you for being our reader. We could not be us without you. You are the best. You did it. Great thinking, Piggy. Thanks to you. Yep, I am one lucky pig. All right, let's get out our pencil and start drawing. All right, my friends, today I'm going to teach you how to write the words thank you. All right, here we go. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to draw an uppercase T. I'm going to make my letters block letters, but you can make any kind of letters you like. We're going to start with an uppercase T. And a lowercase h. And a lowercase a. Lowercase n, and a lowercase k. And now we're going to write the word you. We are going to start with an uppercase Y, and a lowercase o, and a lowercase u, And I'm going to put an exclamation point at the end. Now I'm going to get out my marker and do some tracing. All right, I'm going to color in my block letters. All right, you guys, that brings the end of the refrigerator. I hope that you had a really good time with me reading stories with my friends, drawing pictures. I hope you liked to learn something, and I would like to thank every single one of you for sticking around. I'd like to thank all of our guest readers, and I hope you have a really great summer. Bye.